I am Gwen Clippers, founder of Extraordinary Women. The best advice that I can give to fellow entrepreneurs and younger women is that start now. That is my biggest advice. Don't wait for it to be perfect. Don't wait for everything to fall in place. Start now. 10 years from now, you would have wished that you started today. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. Follow that dream, whatever it is, just do it. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it. Your dreams are yours specifically for you to make a difference in the world. Get the right advice from the right people. For me, what's made the biggest difference in my business is getting the professionals on board. Don't do the website yourself. Don't do the branding yourself. Get people that you trust and know, the branding specialists, the people that know what it is that they're doing to help you. It makes a difference if people want to do business with you or not. Get a mentor, someone that you trust, that you can share your ideas with, someone that you can share your passions with, that can give you your best advice. And best of all, follow your heart, because it knows where it needs to go.